If you've ever saved a template in CapCut and then couldn't remember where to find it again, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to find your favorites or save templates on CapCut, both from the main home dashboard and inside an active project. This is a super useful trick if you reuse the same styles, edits, or templates often, because it saves a lot of time and keeps your workflow much faster. And before we jump in, make sure to hit the like button if this helps you out, and subscribe for more simple CapCut tutorials, just like this one. Alright, let's get into it. First, if you're on the main CapCut home dashboard and you haven't opened a project yet, launch CapCut on your PC and make sure you're logged into your account. This is important because your saved templates are linked to your account, so if you're not signed in, you may not see them. Once you're on the home screen, look toward the top header menu near your profile icon. You should see an option called Template. Click on that to open the template area. After that, look at the sub-navigation or sidebar menu that appears. Depending on the version of CapCut you're using, you may see something labeled Save Template or Favorites. Click on that section, and CapCut will show you the templates you've saved before. This is the quickest way to access your favorites if you're just browsing from the start screen. Now let's go over the second method, which is inside an active project. This is the better option if you're already editing a video and want to pull in a saved template without leaving your workspace. Open any video project draft in CapCut. Once the project loads, look at the left-hand asset panel where you normally see tools like Media, Audio, and Text. From there, click on the Templates tab. This opens the template directory inside your current project. At the top of that template area, you should see a section called Yours. Click on Yours and then choose Saved. This will instantly filter the template list so you only see the templates you've saved or favorited. If you have a lot of templates, this makes it much easier to find the exact one you want without scrolling through everything else. If you still don't see your saved template, double-check that you're using the same CapCut account you originally saved it under. Also, make sure your app is updated, because menu names and locations can change slightly between versions. In some cases, templates may load a little slowly depending on your internet connection, so give it a moment if the list doesn't appear right away. And that's it. Now you know how to find favorites or save templates on CapCut from both the home dashboard and inside a project. This is one of those small features that can really speed up your editing process once you know where to look. If this tutorial helped, please hit like and subscribe for more CapCut tips, editing shortcuts, and step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.